On top with tori for today. Una work na to see say Naija police force dey Gidigba. Presido Buhari don tell Police Service Commission. Presido Buhari don tell Police Service Commission say make dem put body well for their work to see say Naija police force dey do wetin dem suppose dey do for the country. E tok dis one wen e bin receive 2018 annual report wey the commission come give am. Presido tok say the commission na im get work pass sake of say dem must to check the work wey dey shele for Naija police. E tok say the people wey dey dis commission na people wey im sabi well as dem get ogbonge training and experience, and im go expect dem say make dem work well. Buhari tok say im get believe say Inspector General dey work well as e be say na police na im dey front for all the matter wey dey shele on top security, and if police no dey work well, the country security e go get comma. E tell dem say their work no be small work as dem go give ogbonge sacrifice for the work sake of say dis na time wey the country dey get better security katakata, and make dem see say police force dey get all the support wey dem need to work well.
Your assignment is enormous and calls for sacrifice and commitment, especially now that nearly every country is faced with severe internal security challenges. Nigeria is no exception. Government will require that you redouble your efforts and ensure that the police force receives the required assistance for optimum service delivery.
Buhari salute the commission for the new idea wey dem don put for the force, as e tell dem say e don sabi say dem dey repackage police force well on top promotion matter and on top discipline. E con tell dem say government dey expect say make dem put better body for their work pass the way dem take dey do before. Presido con still tell the commission say make dem work with one mind with police force as dis one go make better work dey shele for security area for the country.
I wish to see close communication and understanding between you and the Nigerian police. This is necessary for the overall efficiency and effectiveness in securing the country. I want to assure you that the government will do its best to make sure you have the necessary support, both in funding and good environment, to carry out your constitutional responsibilities.
E con still tell dem say the work of the commission na to see say appointment, promotion and discipline wey dey for Naija police force e go well, and say na only Inspector General of Police no dey under dis commission. Chairman of the commission wey carry other members come State House Abuja, Alhaji Musiliu Smith, e tok say wetin dem dey do dey follow Presido order as dem dey work on top how Naija police force go take dey deliver well, as dis one go still help Naija people take dey salute police people, and even police sef go get better belief for inside themselves.
The Commission is still determined to give the nation a police force it desires and we're proud of. At no time, even in the face of odds, will it shirk this very important responsibility. I want to assure Mr. President of our commitment and determination to make a success of this challenging national assignment. Let me also pledge our unwavering loyalty and dedication to the Nigerian nation.
E con still tell Presido say make e shook body well for money matter and better office make e dey Gidigba for the commission as dem need all this one. Na here we see the better informate reach on top with tori for today. As President Buhari don yarn give Police Service Commission as they come meet am for State House Abuja, say their work na to see say police force stand Gidigba well for the country. And dis ogbonge informate wey dey reach una so on top with tori for today, na T Live Media na im bring am come give una. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge informate as e dey shele for the country, make una no forget to follow our page for Facebook for T Live Media, and make una no forget to like, subscribe and comment to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Una fit still log on to our website wey sidon brekete for www.tlivemedia.com to dey get ogbonge tori as e dey shele.